Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get presents faster in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. When this weather is coming, following presents on the Christmas Island, you can immediately go to the Christmas Island and find the present. For example, this one, you just need to click on open present and you will get present, and the presents can be anywhere on the Christmas Island. So just look around the map and you will find the presents, and it will be so helpful guys to complete the Christmas event quest because we need to exchange the presents at the Santa's gift factory, right? So we need a lot of presents. And yeah, I just go to the Christmas Island when the falling Christmas event or falling Christmas weather is coming. Okay, and just click on open the present, and yeah, just like that, and it will come randomly to the game, so you need to stay tuned to get the weather. Okay. And okay guys, that's how you can get present faster in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!